Trump's Liberation Day tariffs just wiped $100 billion from crypto markets. FDUSD collapsed to 76 cents after Justin Sun dropped a bombshell accusation. And Treasure DAO just announced they're shutting down. I'm breaking down everything you need to know about today's market carnage in just 6 minutes. What's up, Moonward family? Alex here with your Crypto Pulse Flash update for April 3rd, 2025. If you're new here, we deliver concentrated, no BS market intel twice daily to keep professional investors ahead of the crowd. Today, we're seeing massive market disruption from Trump's new tariffs, with Bitcoin down 5.12% to $81,316, Ethereum crashing 6.26% to $1,755, and Solana getting absolutely hammered, down 11.66% to $112.33. Fear and Greed Index has plummeted to 35.93, firmly in fear territory. Let's dive into what's actually happening and what it means for your portfolio. Trump's Liberation Day tariffs have sent shockwaves through global markets. We're looking at a 10% universal import duty on all goods entering the U.S. starting April 5th, plus a 25% tariff on imported automobiles that's already in effect. This has triggered a $100 billion crypto market wipeout, though Bitcoin is showing notable resilience compared to altcoins. Gold has hit a new all-time high above $3,160 as investors seek safe havens. What's fascinating here is Bitcoin's dominance is actually rising to its highest level in 4 years, suggesting institutional money views it similarly to gold as a hedge against economic uncertainty. The keyword tariff dominated crypto social media with over 1,100 mentions in just 24 hours, highlighting the market panic. And here's what you need to watch. China is preparing countermeasures against these tariffs, which could escalate this into a full-blown trade war. Now to today's second bombshell, First Digital USD, FDUSD, briefly depegged to as low as 76 cents following Justin Sun's allegations that First Digital Trust is insolvent. First Digital Trust immediately fired back, calling this a smear campaign and clarifying that the dispute actually involves TUSD, not FDUSD. They emphasized that FDUSD is fully backed by U.S. Treasury bills and are now pursuing legal action against Sun for defamation. What happened next is textbook panic behavior. Binance, which holds most FDUSD supply, saw users panic selling at the bottom before the stablecoin recovered to near 99 cents. First Digital Labs burned 87 million FDUSD in 24 hours to stabilize the market. This is critical to watch because First Digital Trust has scheduled an AMA for today at 16 o'clock HKT to address these concerns. The resolution of this controversy will have significant implications for the broader stablecoin market. What's absolutely fascinating about this market downturn is the extreme divergence we're seeing across sectors. DeFi has shown remarkable resilience, actually increasing mindshare to 6.93%, despite price declines of -12.85%. In stark contrast, DeFi has been decimated with a -31.83% price collapse, the worst of any sector. This suggests investors are rotating from speculative AI plays into more established DeFi protocols during market stress. L1 dominance remains strong at 32.92%, though down from recent peaks. Looking at liquidation data, we're seeing major ETH whale positions at risk if prices continue to decline. The ETH-BTC ratio has plummeted to a dangerous 0.0216 level, the lowest in years. A few more critical developments to note: Hyperliquid, HYPE, has dropped 16.75% to $11.17 as unprofitable perpetual traders sell their airdrop tokens to maintain margin positions. Once this holder base gets cycled out, the token should stabilize. Treasure DAO announced they're shutting down game operations in Treasure Chain due to financial constraints. They have annual expenses of $8.3 million, but only $2.4 million left in Treasury. Mantra, OM, is showing remarkable strength at $6.25, with only a -0.81% decline amid this market crash. Definitely one to watch. So what should professional investors be doing right now? Our data suggests increasing Bitcoin allocation to 43%, given its resilience amid tariff implementation, while reducing ETH to 19% due to continued weakness. Solana allocation should remain around 16% to capitalize on ecosystem strength, despite recent underperformance. The negative funding rates we're seeing across BTC, ETH, and SOL indicate potential for a short squeeze if sentiment improves, creating tactical opportunities in this volatile environment. We recommend monitoring the FDUSD AMA today and the full implementation of tariffs on April 5th while positioning defensively amid continued volatility. That's your 6-minute crypto pulse update for April 3rd. If you found this valuable, hit that subscribe button and notification bell to get these flash updates as soon as they drop. For our professional subscribers, check your inbox for the full detailed report with specific entry and exit points for key assets. Drop a comment with your thoughts on Trump's tariffs and how they'll impact crypto markets long term. This is Alex with Moonward Capital signing off until our next update. Stay ahead of the crowd.